The law of attraction is not necessarily the same as the law of feeling, but you might wonder, I understand that feelings are important, but how exactly do you trigger them? No matter how much I try to feel it, I can't seem to feel it. I truly understand the frustration and despair you may be feeling because I have been there myself. Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the powerful concept of attraction and how to use it to manifest your desires. Have you ever struggled with attracting what you want into your life? Well, today we will be sharing a simple yet effective formula to help you achieve your goals. We will dive into the core principle of attraction, which is feeling like you already have what you desire. And we'll explore the various ways you can cultivate this feeling within yourself so you can attract the reality you want. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to harness the power of attraction in your life. Let's get started. So now let me explain, with the help of science, an easy way to evoke all the feelings I have. Did you know that even if you force yourself to smile when you're not feeling happy, it releases happy hormones? An interesting experiment was conducted at the University of Kansas in the United States. The researchers asked participants to maintain a forced smile during the experiment and then exposed them to stressful situations while they continued to maintain the forced smile. The results of the experiment were surprising. In the same situation where both groups were under stress, the group that forced themselves to smile, even if it was fake, had a much higher happiness hormone level than the group that remained expressionless. Even though they weren't actually happy, they continued to force themselves to smile, and as a result, the happiness hormone began to be secreted, and they experienced a feeling of happiness. The conclusion of this experiment is as follows. The act of forcing a smile actually triggers the feeling of happiness. It is a fact that is recognized in the field of psychology that behavior triggers emotions. There is a psychological theory called the facial feedback hypothesis. Let me explain this hypothesis briefly. When humans make a certain facial expression, emotions related to that expression are triggered. So even if we are not actually feeling good, if we force ourselves to smile, our brain mistakes it for us being happy and starts to secrete happiness hormones. The fact that behavior triggers emotions is widely recognized in the field of social psychology. Amy Cuddy, a renowned scholar in social psychology, gave a TED Talk in which she said that standing up straight and confidently can actually evoke feelings of self-assurance. Her talk, "Your Body Language May Shape Who You Are," has been viewed over 67 million times on the official TED website and has become a global hit. Cuddy is also famous for coining the phrase, "fake it till you make it," in the self-help world. She advises people to behave as if they already possess the qualities and qualifications they desire until they actually become that kind of person. Her advice is similar to that of the idea that our behavior can affect our emotions, which is widely recognized in social psychology. This is really a mystery, isn't it? Well, now we know that the act of behaving confidently can actually trigger feelings of confidence, scientifically. But what exactly should we do to trigger the feeling of having everything we want? Actually, the feeling of having everything can be similar to the state of a wise philosopher who has transcended the desire for more. The key to attraction is feeling like we already have everything we want. Once we feel like we have everything, we no longer feel desperate or passionate for anything, because we already have it. The feeling of having everything is peaceful, serene, and relaxed. So what kind of behavior triggers these feelings? It's activities like fasting, deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and long walks, which all involve releasing physical tension. Let's remember the formula, action creates feeling. When we engage in activities that require us to use less physical effort, we tend to feel calm, relaxed, and lazy. This feeling is similar to the state of mind of a philosopher who already has everything they need. Therefore, when we experience this feeling, our subconscious mind begins to attract the reality that we already have everything we need. For thousands of years, many religions, practitioners, and spiritualists have been engaging in activities such as fasting, meditation, long walks, and yoga, not just for the sake of it, but to evoke this ultimate feeling. The principle behind these activities is to create a feeling that attracts a sense of abundance and contentment. This principle is not limited to the spiritual world, but also applies to the field of personal development for success. I'll summarize and conclude the video with the key points. The essence of attraction is the feeling that you already have everything you need. When you feel like you already have everything, you experience a sense of ease and detachment. In other words, the feeling of ease and detachment is the feeling of already having everything. Therefore, this feeling attracts the reality of already having everything. This is because feelings attract reality. So, what is the way to induce the feeling of ease and detachment? It is to do something that drains your physical energy. Because actions induce feelings, doing something that drains your physical energy will induce a feeling of lethargy, weakness, tranquility, detachment, and ease. Actions that drain your physical energy include fasting, silence, meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and long walks. These actions have been practiced as spiritual practices for thousands of years and are even frequently mentioned in self-help books for success. For those who are struggling to generate a strong feeling while practicing manifestation, don't try to force yourself to feel something that isn't there. Instead, focus on feeling the ultimate sensation of having everything you desire. Trust me when I say that this method will bring 100 or 1,000 times better results than trying too hard to manifest. Actions trigger feelings, and those feelings attract the reality you want. I hope you remember and utilize this formula. I hope you can use this formula effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts and any questions you may have. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.